Welcome back to the channel called CAD with Mr. Hugh. In today's video, we will draw in the first angle projection of a three-dimensional object that is drawn in isometric projection. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna draw our baseline to draw our front elevation, and we'll start the front elevation right here. Enter. Okay, so that is the baseline, and on this baseline, we'll be drawing the front elevation. So we're gonna start off with our front elevation. So we're gonna start here. We're gonna go up 20 millimeters. Then we're gonna go across 60 millimeters. Then we're gonna go up 30 millimeters. So we're gonna start again. We're gonna go across 100 millimeters. Then we're gonna go down 50. I'm gonna go down 50 millimeters. Enter. All right, on top of this object, we're gonna draw a cylinder on the top, okay? So we're gonna draw a cylinder right here. So the cylinder will be represented by a rectangle. So we're gonna go here. We're gonna go 60 millimeters. And we're gonna go across 80 millimeters. And we're gonna go down 60 millimeters. Enter. All right. Now, this cylinder is on top of the object, and the object has an extension. It has a hole going through it. Enter. Right? So there's a square hole going through it, and there is a hole going through the cylinder. So we're gonna change our layer to the hidden. All right. And dim one, okay. All right, so we're gonna make this current. All right, so we're gonna draw our lines now going through here to there. Enter. Gonna go again, line from there to there. Enter. All right. Now, right, so this would be our front elevation. All right. We're gonna draw the plan now. Okay. So drawing the plan, we need construction lines. All right, so let's change our construction line and we're gonna draw lines coming down. So I'm gonna be drawing the plan now, okay? So that is that, enter. Need another line again coming down from all of these corners. Need a line coming down from here, there, there, there. All right. So I'm gonna draw a plan now. So that's our construction line. I'm gonna draw a horizontal line right here, front elevation. All right, let me darken the front elevation so you can see it a little bit better. So I'm gonna darken drawing the lines in our outline. So I have the top here. So go there, 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 down, and across. Enter. Gonna draw the top now. Enter. Let's turn off the layer and see what's happening. All right, so here, there is the object, okay? All right, so we're gonna turn on back our construction and layer one. All right, so the plan, now what we're gonna have a semicircle here, okay? We're gonna have a semicircle here, so we're gonna go arc. All right, let me get the width for the plan. All right, outline. All right, let us draw the circle first. Circle. All right, this will be the inner circle. Let's draw the outer circle. The outer circle with this one, right? And we're going to mirror this line. So there, there, enter. All right, so that is the base. Um, Let me make a center line. All right, so this line would be center line. All right, so go line, enter, line, enter. All right, this center line, I'm gonna change that center line. I'm gonna choose this one. All right, so this, center line. All right, so there we have our center line. All right. Undo. All right, so there we have a center line. We can also draw the center line coming through here. All right, so that's our center line. All right, those are my center lines. All right, this part now will be smaller than the actual object, all right? So I'm gonna go to my outline. Let me draw the arc first, all right? So I'm gonna draw the arc, center, start, end. So here's our center. Center, start, end, good. Enter, all right? So let me darken this now, or the hidden detail line. I'm gonna draw a hidden detail line. I'm gonna draw a hidden detail line. This hidden detail line, we're gonna change it. Um, right, all right. So there you're looking a little bit better. All right, so we're gonna draw these lines coming down. Enter. Go again. Enter. Enter. All right. When we turn off the construction layer, you would see them. All right, there they are. All right, what we're gonna do now, we're gonna draw the outline. So we're gonna go to the outline layer. I'm actually gonna draw, we're gonna put this on the outline. Outline layer, good. And we're gonna draw a line. Line, 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 line. Enter. We're gonna put these circles on the outline layer, okay? All right, so we're gonna turn off the construction now and we should see that a little bit better. Good, there is the object. I'm gonna make this line here. Turn off object snap. Or there's a line coming down here, so I'm gonna draw that solid line. Enter. All right. What we're gonna do is slope this slide to that line. Enter. All right, we're gonna trim these parts. There, the, there, there, there. Enter. All right. So here's our object. We have come to the end of part one of how to draw 2D views from a 3D view in AutoCAD. In the next video, we'll be looking at part two of the two videos covering the topic. We look forward to seeing you in the next video. Please take care until we meet again. Bye. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.